So let's pull up these PLTR calls expiring February 7th. These are the 110 calls. Okay, 110 calls. And we're going to go in here. Looks like they're going for about $248 a contract. I'm going to go in with about 60 contracts, okay? Okay, I got that fill. So let me write this call out. Give me a minute. Long PLTR. Again, these were the 2/7/25. Okay. 2/7/25. Today is the 4th. 9:40 is when these came through. Okay, this is going to be a quick one. So look at, we got our stop rate here. I'll go ahead and I'll post this. I will not have time to type this up because you can see how we're already at our stop. Okay. Really, really quick trade. I'm down about 8%. So I'm going to send this if you need these contracts, but so we'll see where this where this minute wick closes. But the algo set a really, really tight stop here. So this might just be a quick loser. We'll see what happens with this next minute candle. So interesting. PLTR is up 23%. Down about 10% on these contracts. Again, these are PLTR calls, 110 strike, 2/7/25 expiration. And just because we're already trading essentially on our stop, you could see how stop was sitting about 1% below when the software order came through. So I'm assuming PLTR reported earnings. No, they're just up. No earnings reports. That's very interesting. So about break even on these contracts. And again, don't worry if you're not able to get in this one. So my fill was at, again, this will happen like 2% of the time. I got filled at 234 a contract, 60 contracts. Okay. Crazy. PLTR is up 25%. All right, we're pushing here. $3.2 million behind this order. It's definitely going to be an interesting one. I'll pull up my P&L here on the bottom so you guys can see what's going on. So I'm up about 15% so far on these. There you go. You guys can see that. Definitely getting a nice push here. Can you guys see my screen? You should be able to see both. And again, focusing on 100 trades at a time. Okay. Don't want to put any significance or emphasis on this one trade. If it plays out, if we hit TP, great. If we hit stop, that's also fine. But so far, we're seeing a pretty nice move up about 3,000. We still have about 1% to go. About 1% still to move to TP. Who's in with this? Who's in on this with me? God, I need to have some more caffeine. Did anyone get a fill? Anyone in? PLTR is up 26% on the day. That is crazy. Contracts are up 13%. I actually didn't get a great fill. My fill was not great. 2.15. Dang, dude. I got 2.34. It's whatever. It's all good. 2.38. Strike price wouldn't show up. You guys all got better fills than me. I'm in the 110 calls. I'm not sure why it wouldn't show up. I'm getting close. I'm getting really close. I went in limit. Again, don't sweat the entry. Like, seriously. At the end of the day, your equity curve will smooth out over time. Just worrying about the entry is just it's not even worth it. Just get in where you get in. That's 205. That's a great fill. I'm just curious, right? That's why I'm asking. Don't want to put too much emphasis on it. Wow, we're almost at TP, up 3.6K, 25%. I'm so like not enthusiastic today. Gotta bring in the energy, guys. Most people would be like, holy shit, you just made 4K in like 2 minutes. No, guys, not until we sell. We're getting really close, though. Up 30%, 4.1K. Let's see if we can get TP. Wow, PLTR is up 27.42%, guys. We are about to hit TP. Crazy, crazy. Where would this limit order fall? That's pretty high. Guys, be patient. We're almost there. We just need one more little push. Come on. Get it. Get there. Get there. All right, we're getting out of this one. Easy 4.8K. I don't know. I just like, it's pretty cool that you guys got to see that whole trade. Congrats. Let's lock that profit in, guys. That was a solid trade. We just smashed TP. Amazing freaking trade. We are out. Let's go. All right. Who got in on that one? Let me know in the chat. Amazing trade. All right, let's go. 2.5K. Amazing, amazing trade. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Ready? I'm going to film for the Instagram, and you guys got to comment. Comment W, okay? So comment W if you got in on this trade and you made money. Or if you saw that. We just took this trade live, 4.8K on the day in about 5 minutes. Okay, who got in on that trade? W's if you got in. W's if you saw that. Look at, we hit TP entry. We held above our stop here. And then we just locked in that profit. So over 30% profit, guys. That was awesome.